Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
naman talaga, oh.
Alam, hindi ka ba natutuwa? Ang dami mo iconic na. Yung kadena.
Actually, si Josh yung pinaka-iconic talaga sa akin.
Iconic ka. Kami nga full support to. Asan nga dyan yung mga asawa ko?
Proud ka.
Pero alam mo, hindi ko kayo sabihin talaga. Yung mga ganun. Parang
Sabi mo na nga kanina eh.
Hindi, I mean, alam mo yun, parang kailangan ko matutunan yung mga kung paano mag-serve.
Ayan, 22,000 na! 22,000 viewers. Again, 5, 6, chorus. Chorus ng I Want You.
Bago mag-chorus, ano mo sabihin?
Asawa ko. Asa yung mga asawa ko dyan? 6, 7.
Question, I want you. And ain't nobody else is gonna do. So every single time I come through and get it, I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. I wanna fall on my knees, wait for your body on me. 'Cause I want you. Girl, I want you. Oh, you got me open, I got it back. Hindi mo ka? Oh. Ay, wait, hulaan namin tunog ng utot mo. Guess the part.
Nawala.
Wait, guess the part.
Nawala na, Gagi. Ano ba yan?
Puro din naman eh.
Nawala nga eh. Anong gagawin ko?
Ganito tunog siguro ng utot mo. 25,000. Ano pang gusto niyo? Oh, Moonlight.
Na, 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 na.
30K, Moonlight. Ay, 25 na eh.
the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me in shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. La la la.
Oy, tama na.
30K daw gigilid si Pablo sa I Want You. Okay. Oy, 26.
Utos.
4K na lang pag nag-30. Tatayo ka, tapos kakanta kami ng
I Want You.
You. Gagano kami yan. Tapos, maybe you wanna. Gagano kami, tapos gigilid ka.
Wala naman silang questions eh. Sino excited na din sa concert?
Ako!
Excited.
Hindi, nagtatanong sila kung seated daw ba yung finale.
Tweeted?
Fly.
Feeling ko magdala kayo ng ng kulambo.
Walang sasagot.
Dala kayong kulambo, tapos tawag dito.
Which?
Anong tawag doon the one you put on the floor so you can lie down?
Matt.
Mats! Yeah, bring mats.
Pero, ano yan?
We can say pa. We can't say pa, we can't say. It's
Pero
very dangerous.
sabi ni, meron daw.
Meron. Merong upuan.
Merong upuan. Pero bawal mo ba?
May upuan, pero kami 5 lang. Ayan, pa 27 na. Pag nag-30K, promise na gagawin talaga niyo.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.